Satu nih.
Assalamualaikum, Om Swastiastu, Salam, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. This is a presentation assignment from Group 1 for our factual reading course. This group is consists of me, Afan Mahusal Basit.
Nisrina Amalia Rizky.
And I'm Bujeriando.
Farja Purwadi.
Me, Grace Esther.
And this is the presentation. This is the main idea of each paragraph of an life cycle article. The first paragraph is talk about many species of ants found worldwide. Second paragraph, the four life cycle of ants are eggs, larvae, pupae, and adults, each with its own. Third paragraph, the egg stage is very hot but important for the ants' future development, and these eggs are protected by workers. The fourth paragraph, talk about the larva stage, is the shortest stage of development and its food is provided by worker bees. Fifth paragraph, talk about during the larva stage, ants quickly pupate. The sixth paragraph, talk about the pupal stage, is the second longest stage in the ant life cycle. Second paragraph, once the larva reach a certain size, most species of ants grow into cocoons development. Eighth paragraph, as a pupae, the ants begin to develop antennae and legs. Ninth paragraph, after reaching adulthood, ant colonies have a unique cast. The 10th paragraph, the only purpose of the male is to mate with the young queen. The next is gonna say it by Nina.
Paragraph 10, worker ants are sterile females doing other job. Paragraph 11, you must do this to ensure the survival of the entire colony. Paragraph 12, make sure the queen ant produce enough workers. Paragraph 13, workers are born as soldiers and can also fight other threatening insects. Paragraph 14, soldiers are larger than the average mandible. Paragraph 15, annual lifespan vary by species. Paragraph 16, factor affecting an lifespan. Paragraph 17, let's work together as a team to increase their chances of survival. Paragraph 18, an ant colony starts with the first egg and ends with millions of ants. Paragraph 19, three stage an ant colony goes through. Paragraph 20, male and female ants leave the original colony to start a new colony. The ants search to their ideal location. Paragraph 21, the queen ant initially lays about 12 eggs. Paragraph 22, queen must take care of her. Paragraph 23, that's pretty much all she has to do on her own. Paragraph 24, the first egg to become an adult is the first worker or nanny. Paragraph 25, nanny tags will die with the queen if they don't help the queen establish her colony. Paragraph 26, if you fail, nanny ticks will starve. Paragraph 27, become an ant if they don't have a colony or nest, they will eventually die. Paragraph 28, the ergonomic phase is expanding colonies and nests. Paragraph 29, worker ants in an ant colony do almost everything except laying eggs. Paragraph 30, worker ants will be able to do more as the population grows. Paragraph 31, the ergonomic phase is like a focus for growth and preparation for the future growth. Next.
And paragraph 32, ants only do jobs related to growth. And then ergonomic stages include change and activity. Paragraph 34, breeding season occurs when the colony is large enough. Paragraph 35, the queen begins to give birth to her virgin queen and male starting her own cycle. Paragraph 36, ant seeds live in everything across countries and continents. Paragraph 38, an colony may consist of multiple queens working together to expand the colony population fast. And paragraph 37, colonies of ants that have entered breeding season remain active. Next. Why is the sky blue? The main idea of the paragraph 1 is the colors of the rainbow are colorful because he would like of the sun passes through raindrops that act as a prism. Paragraph 2. Some wavelengths are visible. And then there are different sizes in the wavelengths of light. Paragraph 4. Light travels track unless is reflected, bent on, or scattered. Paragraph 5. White light from the sun scatters blue, leaving others color white. In paragraph 6, colors other than blue appear white. And the last paragraph is blue fades towards the sky.
Okay, the purpose of this text is to explain why the sky appears blue and why sunset and sunrise can appear red. The text provides a scientific explanation for why the sky is blue by describing how the different wavelengths of light in the visible spectrum interact with Earth's atmosphere. Also provide information about the property of light, such as how the travel and how each wavelength determines its color. Overall, the text aim to answer a common question about the color of the sky using scientific reasoning and example. Next, the next is similarities and different. The two texts are different in terms of the topic they cover, but they share the same genre of the explanation or the informative writing. Why is the sky blue? Explanation, the scientific phenomenon of the blue color of the sky, well, and life cycle, how they live and die, provide information about the first stage of the ant life cycle, but the text use clear and concise language to explain complex topic to the reader using simple analogies and example. They also provide additional information that complement the main topic, such as the different color of the rainbow in the first text and the different casts of N in the second text. Additionally, but text using subheading to break down the information into easily digestible section. Overall, the two texts are similar in the genre of the information writing, use a clear language and structuring the information into sections. They differ in their topic with why is the sky blue, offering a scientific phenomenon, and the life cycle, how they live and die, focusing on the life cycle of ant. Next.
Okay, next is there is idea development, genetic structure. Idea development of an life cycle is description because it shows characteristic and future of an, and then why is the blue sky, cause and effect because shows what makes the sky has the color of blue. And the generic structure of an is first general statement. Paragraph 1 is give introduction of the topic what a brief definition on an, and the sequence explanation there is last paragraph on paragraph 2 it explains how many and how unique each stage on the ant life cycle, like egg, larva, pupal, adult, and how many type of an adult and their different tasks. How long do an live and the stage of an colony. And then there is no conclusion. Next. Generic structure of sky blue is general statement for gives introduction of the topic, what with a question that often being asked, like why the sky is blue and explanation. It explains show the sky can be blue, and then next is there is language feature like sky blue use a present tense, use a conjunction time sequence like cause and while, use a passive voice and lives, and then and life cycle use a conjunction time sequence like because, while, and last is use a present tense. That's it.
Okay, that's all from our group. Thank you.